Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove WordPress logo from WordPress login page. So let's get started. So this is our website, and as you can see that WordPress logo is available on our website, and now we are going to remove this WordPress logo. So at first we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard, and from here we are going to install a new WordPress plugin. So from the plugin section we are going to click on add new. And from here we are going to search for a plugin change WordPress login, and we are going to install this first plugin change WordPress login logo. So we are going to click on install now, and once the plugin is installed, just click on activate button. So as you can see that plugin is now installed and activated on our WordPress website. So now we are going to just hover over settings and we will click on login logo. And now we are going to upload our custom logo to our website. So we are going to click on upload logo, and after that we are going to click on upload files, and then we are going to select the file from our computer, and after that we are going to click on open, and our file will start uploading. And as you can see that our logo is now uploaded, and we are going to click on select button, and now our logo is selected, and after that we are going to click on save changes. So in this way our logo is uploaded and saved. You can set custom height and width for your logo, but I am going to leave it as it is. And now from the top we are going to just hover over our username, and then we are going to click on logout. And as you can see that WordPress logo is now changed with our own custom logo. So this is how you can remove WordPress logo from WordPress login page. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.